How to get your money back on Temu without returning the order. Hey everybody, this is Nina from Create, Login, Delete. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the process. Open up your Temu app. Go on the Use section at the bottom page. Here, scroll below and tap on Customer Support. Again, tap on Contact Us. Here, type in I want a refund. You will get a reply saying which order do you need help with. Now go ahead and tap on Select Order. From there, choose an order that you would like to get a refund from. Then further, have a conversation with them regarding why do you need a refund for that particular product. You can also negotiate with them. For instance, there may be some change in price and now you want a refund for that product. And if Temu agrees with your explanation, then there is a high possibility that you will get a refund. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you would like to see more videos on this, then do comment down below and we will see you soon.